time we can use the manual timer. Okay, so then the last one will be on the other side. So we'll change positions. All right, and okay, one more. And usually when I do soft tissue work on a patient or something, as much as possible, I try not to take my hand off of the patient or the person. Just there's a continuation, there's a connection there. Is this painful? Yeah, usually it's here. And once you do it often enough, kind of like you'll be like, kind of like when I put my hand there, more or less it's there. Why? Because you kind of got used to it already.
So you kind of know where it is after
Yes. So this one will run 13 and 20, so we're, on schedule there. And let's say if I'm not explaining, and let's say it's quiet, or we do it there with the treadmill, usually they're going to be facing, so they're just looking at the floor or something. It's more relaxing for them. And then just hold that pressure there. It's either you can use both thumbs, or sometimes I actually use my knuckles a lot. And if they're big, I even use that. Yep. So right now we're running at 14 and 20. So by 14:30, we'll do the last stretch there. And then after that, you're kind of like, you're finishing up already.
That was all for the shoulder, right?
Oh, no,
the neck.
Yep, neck, upper back. So
Neck and upper
I like
back.
doing this. Yep.
She said one more.
And I'll show you one thing I like to do to finish up with the neck. This one usually is very comfortable. People, they love this, even though it hurts.
It hurts?
Yeah, so for the neck, aside from just rubbing like this, what we call a trap release.
Are you gonna press?
You're actually gonna grab the traps.
Oh.
And you're gonna squeeze it. Oh man, don't shake the head like I did, just squeezing it like this.
How long?
Few seconds.
That doesn't have to be 20, 30?
No.
Like 10
because you're
maybe?
finishing up. Yeah, 10 seconds or so. And that. And then I press down on it.
Okay.
Okay, and then after that, then you can just go like this to kind of like finish up everything.
Then you have them.
All right, and then you have some, how do
Good
you
job.
feel?
Sorry.
All right, and so we finished around more or less 16 minutes or so.
Over a minute, that's not bad.